Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a slow Windows 11. There are a couple of different methods, so try to go through them one by one. Of course, the first thing to do is to restart your computer. So just right click on the start menu and then hit shut down or sign out, then hit restart. Or just click on this button here, then click restart. Yeah, why does this help? Of course, it shuts down all the programs, etc. etc. Okay, number 2, check for Windows updates. So how do you do that? Go to search, go to settings. On the left hand side, you're gonna see Windows Update. You're gonna click on that. I need to install a couple of Windows updates, as you can see. But you can click on the check for updates and install all if you have updates you need to install. Again, I need to install my Windows 11 update, so I'm not doing the best. Step number 3, free up disk space. So from the search bar here, type in disk cleanup. Now what you want to do is select the C drive. This is the C drive, and then from here you can select what you want to clean up. And you can also click on clean up system files, and you want to clean up basically any kind of system files. You want to clean up any kind of temporary files, including files in your recycle bin, etc, etc. I've done this recently, so I don't really get that much space, but it really does help. Okay, step number 4, manage startup programs. So what if you have too many programs starting up and it's slowing down your PC? So press Control Shift Escape to open Task Manager. From here on the left hand side, you're gonna see start up apps. From here you're gonna see the apps that start up when you start up the PC. Now you can basically right click and disable the apps that you basically don't recognize. This will help a lot for if you have any kind of game, for example, any kind of anti-cheat software that starts up for Riot or Counter-Strike. That does seem to slow down the computer quite a bit. For example, this, I probably don't need this. I can disable this on startup, and that will save me a little bit. Do this one by one to see if that makes your computer faster. Okay, step number 5, adjust visual effects. How do I do that? So search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. It's right here, click on that. And from here, you want to, ideally you can click on adjust for best appearance or adjust for best performance. And this will basically turn, if you click on adjust for best performance, this will turn off all of the animations that seem to be slowing down your computers. I'm gonna keep it on best appearance because yeah, it's great. Okay, step number 6, we want to scan for malware. So you could have some kind of virus on your computer making it slower. So how do you scan? Type in Windows Security, press enter, and this will come up. Click on virus and threat protection and run a full scan. You can also run a quick scan, which is very quick. A full scan can take 15 minutes plus depending on how fast your system is, but that might find a virus, and the virus might be the thing slowing down your computer. Okay, next, update drivers. So open device manager, type in device manager, and from here you want to update drivers. Ideally, for example, the display driver, your GPU, you can right click on it, say update driver, and search automatically for drivers, and do that for a couple of different drivers to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, the step number 9, I think we're on. Type in CMD in the search bar. Command prompt will come up. Right click on this and hit run as administrator. From here, type in sfc /scan now, all one word, press enter. What does this do? This will scan your entire Windows file system for any kind of corrupt files, and it will automatically replace them. This is incredibly handy to do, and this could solve the issue. Might as well give it a try. There's no drawback to do it. It takes a couple of minutes. Okay. After you have done this, let's move on to the final step, advanced troubleshooting. Okay, so you go to settings, left hand side, you're gonna see system. From here, you're gonna see recovery. Okay, and from here you can hit on reset this PC. So what this does, and you can choose on keep my files or remove everything. So what this will do, if you say keep my files, this will reinstall Windows on your PC while keeping all of your personal files, or you can remove the files, of course, and this will without a doubt make your PC faster once again, but of course it will take a couple of hours, so I don't recommend it. Okay, and that is it. If this video helped you, leave this video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.